Buns is one of the various snacks I love so much, especially when it is dry on the outside and very soft on the inside. I made these very delicious buns and I thought to share. These are the ingredients I used: an egg, sugar, baking powder, butter, nutmeg, milk, salt, all-purpose flour, and water inclusive. A list of all the ingredients will be in the description box. In a bowl, I added flour, I added nutmeg, salt. I used a little bit of salt because I wouldn't want my buns to be salty. So I had to use a little bit of salt because I am still going to add butter. So I mixed it together with a spoon. Then I added my butter. I'm using margarine. For this recipe. So I had to mix it together very well with my spoon. Here I'm mixing my wet ingredients together: the egg, milk, and I also added sugar, and I mixed it very well until it is very smooth, and I also added water to it. I had to make use of my hand to mix the dry ingredients very well to achieve a very smooth texture. Because the spoon was not doing justice to it, so I had to use my hands to mix it very, very well. Now is the time to add my wet ingredients to the dry ingredients in order to achieve that stuff that will become my buns. But I had to do this bit by bit, meaning I added the watery ingredients little by little in order for my buns not to be too watery. After achieving a smooth dough, I proceeded to frying my buns in a pot on a low heat, on a very low heat. That was why I had to put a little bit of the dough in the oil before going on to fry the main dough, so in order to texture on it. So here I am frying my buns on a low heat. After making pop-off, buns and the rest, like how many times, I am not still good at scooping the dough inside hot oil. I don't know, am I the only one on this table? Because this thing is getting out of hand. I don't know. I've tried several times to scoop perfectly, but it seems it's not working. Anyway, I'm trying, Sha. I'm trying. My buns is ready, guys. It is ready, and it came out so nice, very sweet. I don't know if I'm the only one that likes my buns to be very dry. I love it to be very dry on the outside, just like this, just like I made it. You can decide to make yours anyhow you want it. It depends on what you want, but this is how I usually want my buns to be. Guys, this is the outcome. This is the outcome. It came out so sweet. Very, very, very delicious. Thank you so much for coming with me on this journey. I really, really appreciate it. See you in my next video. Bye.